Good morning class, welcome back to our online class today. So today everyone, how are you? Great, so I hope that you are fine. So before we start our lesson for today, let's read the day with teacher first. So today is Tuesday, December 8, 2020. So as you know already, Tuesday, first session we study our book is Listening Starter 1. So today we will continue our new lesson for today is Unit 4 that we talk about at school on page 26. So please open your book right now and listen to teacher all together. Okay, so before we start our lesson for today, teacher want you to review again that related with our vocabulary from Unit 3, all of us. So as you know already, in Unit 3, all of us, we talk about family, right? Member. So now let me read it for you. So the first one is parents, brother, family, grandmother, baby, sister. And today for the new lesson, Unit 4 at school, we have vocabulary also. So here is our vocabulary for today. That we have study, science, interesting, schedule, and history. So now let me read it for you again. Study, science, interesting, schedule, history. Okay, so now let me explain to you the definition of this word one by one. Okay, so now let's move to the next one with teacher. Okay, so here is the word and with the definition of the vocabulary that we learned for today. So study is a noun, the devotion of the time and attention to gaining knowledge of academic subject, especially by means of books. So as you know already, study, if you want to study, you know a lot of things that related with the knowledge, right? That is come from book, right? Okay, science is a noun, a subject such as physics or chemistry or biology. As you know already, science we study a lot of subject, right? Okay, interesting is the adjective making you want to know about it. So interesting is focused on the feeling, right? So when you're feeling quite interesting with the book or interesting with something, you always want to know or you always want to learn, right? Okay, schedule. Schedule is a noun. It's a plan that gives a list of events or tasks and the time at which each one should happen or be done. As you know already, every people all look like us right now, we are the students. So we have our own schedule, right? Like example, Monday, for 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, we need to do what? We need to study or we need to play a game or we need to listen to music. We have our own schedule, right? Okay, math. So math is a noun, the study of number. So as you know already, math, we study about the number like calculation, like plus, minus, divide, or time, right? Okay, history. History is a noun, the study of the past event or event of the past. It means like we study about the history that passed already from the previous year that we need to learn that one again. So this one is history. So now let me show you the picture. Okay, so the first picture in here, everyone, can you guess it? What is he doing? Great, so the first picture in here, got everyone. So the first picture in here is study, right? So he is sitting and he's writing to his paper, right? So he's studying. And the second picture is talk about science. Very good. And number 3 picture is talk about interesting. That look like this kid. He is so interesting with the book, right? Because he want to learn. And picture number 4, this one is talk about schedule. You need to have the own schedule, right? So schedule, this one you can see in here is look like calendar, but schedule is different from calendar. So schedule is the plan that you need to do or you done of something, right? Example, Monday you have a party, Tuesday you need to study, so that one we call schedule, right? Okay, so now let's move to another one is math. So you can see into this picture, example 8 divide 2, 2 plus 2 equal how many? So math is study about the number, right? And the last one is history. So can you see in this picture? So history is talk about the old story of the previous year. That you can see in here is talk about Angkor Temple, but in this picture is we talk about Bayon, right? Bayon Temple. So Bayon Temple, they have the history, who is the person built it, and how many years of this temple, right? So you want to know, we need to learn about history of this temple, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next one. Okay, so everyone please open your book on page 26 right now. We have exercise A, that you need to find the word and answer them in the picture. So we have number 1 until number 6 word in here. So you need to look at this picture, and after that you need to number on that one. So which one is number 1, which one is number 2 until number 6, right? And after that, right now let's move to B. You need to match the expression, listen and check your answer. So teacher will provide you the listening track 30 fine right now, and you need to listen carefully, and you need to match the question with the answer in here that we have A, B, and C. So now let's listen with each other all together.
Unit 4. At school. B. Match the expressions. Listen and check your answers. 1. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
2. Who's your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Mr. Johnston.
3. What does Mr. Johnston teach?
Mr. Johnston teaches history.
Okay everyone, so teacher know it already that you finish already, right? That you match the expression. So now let's move to our answer all together. Okay, so here is our answer for today. So now let me read the question, and we need to find the answer with teacher. Number 1. What's your favorite subject? So match to letter C. My favorite subject is math, right? Number 2. Who is your favorite teacher? So match to letter A. My favorite teacher is Mr. Johnston, right? Okay, number 3. What does Mr. Johnston teach? So Mr. Johnston teach history. So here is our answer that we listen at the moment, and after that we match with the expression, right? So how about your answer? Is the same teacher or not? Good. So I hope that your answer is the same teacher answer also. So now it's time for our first session, everyone, and thank you for your pay attention. See you again for second session. Goodbye.